Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorial. So guys, today we are going to discuss about another relationship in Laravel, and that is has one through. Basically, has one through relationship is similar to has many through relationship. So in this video I'm going to use the same model that I used in the previous video, but the more relevant example to this has one through relationship is present in Laravel docs, and I'm going to assign it to you as a task. So let's basically start, and let's just recap it a bit that what we did in the previous video. Basically, we had three models: user, post, and country. And in that case, post and user had a relationship between them. So if I want to find all the posts related to specific user, we can easily do that, but there is no relationship between post and country. So what we did, basically we used has many through relationship, and we just defined the country ID in the users model, or basically user migration, and Laravel did everything for us. Basically at the backend, Laravel implemented the relationship, or you can say the join or whatever it was, to create a relationship between user and country. And then we use this user table basically as an intermediate table so that we can get all the posts from a specific country. So let's just recap it a bit. I will just move to my Sublime. What we did was, first step was to create a model, country model right here. Okay, and then we also created our migrations. I will just show you right here. I will just open my both files right here. Okay, so we created the model and we implemented the migration, and we just changed our migration according to our needs. Basically we assigned a column name for country name, basically in this case. Okay, and then what we did, we basically added a column in our user table right here with this foreign key right here. Basically it is not a foreign key, we are just defining this country ID in users table, and Laravel is going to do everything for us. In this case, basically Laravel is you can say joining the tables or making a relationship between these two country and users table. Okay, now after that we migrated our tables and we moved to our models right here. Let me show you. And we made our basic basically custom method in which we implemented our relationship right here, has many through. Okay, so we passed two parameters right here. Basically the first one was app post. Basically we are going to hit this model, and by using this model, basically in this case this app user is our intermediate model. Okay, this has many through accept basically method accepts up to 6 parameters. The method you are going to hit, the method you are going to basically not a method, I'm sorry guys, basically the model we are going to hit, the model we are using as an intermediate model, you can say. And then the third parameter was custom foreign. In this case the third parameter was right here. Let me show you right here. If you change it, and if you are not following basically Laravel conventions, what you have to do, you have to just copy this name whatever you have, and you have to write it right here. Okay, the fourth basically column or custom foreign from post, in this case it was right here. Let me show you from post table right here. Now again, if you are not following Laravel conventions and you have a custom name for this foreign key, what you have to do, you have to pass it right here as a fourth parameter. And then comes the custom PK, primary key basically, and in this case this was right here in countries table. If you change your primary key or you put a custom name to your primary key, what you have to do, you have to pass it as a fifth parameter right here. And the sixth parameter was basically custom PK from users table. In this case, if you have changed your primary key in users table, what you have to do, you have to pass it right here as a sixth parameter. So we were following Laravel conventions, so we didn't need basically we don't need any of these if we are following Laravel conventions. So let's begin and let's make a has one through relationship. What I'm going to do, it is really simple. I'm just going to copy because it is similar to has many through, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, and I will just rename it a bit right here. Okay, and if basically for has one through, you can also pass these 6 parameter if you have any of these field as custom, basically custom foreign or custom primary keys, you can pass it right here as well. Okay, I will just change it slightly, has one. Now I am using has one through relationship, and let's make a route for this so that we can see our results. I will move to web.php. Okay, I will just copy whole of this to save time, because I'm going to assign you a task and I have to define it to you basically, and I need to show you what you are going to do. Has one through relationship operation. Okay, let's change it a bit because we can't have two routes with the same name. I made it count id. We are just going to find a country, and then we are going to find the post related to that country. Now again, I'm saying the more relevant example related to has one through relationship is present in Laravel docs, and we will just see it. Just wait a bit. I will just dd it for you so that you can see it is only going to return only one record in this case. Let me just run my project, php artisans right here. Come on, I don't know why it is taking too much time. I will just recap it a bit. If there is any mistake, has one through. Okay, it is running now. Basically, I have to move here, refresh, and let's hit the route count 1. Okay, in this case we have only one result. You can see we have this similar user multiple post. Let me just show you so that there is no confusion left. User ID is 1. This user ID 1 belongs to Pakistan. Basically, I will just show you. Okay, now we have 3 records related to Pakistan right here. You can see user ID 1, user ID 1 record, user ID 1 record, but here we are only getting 1 record. And I'm just going to show you right here. See, this belongs to country number 1, where country 1 is equals to Pakistan basically. Let me just show you countries, and see country ID 1 basically is Pakistan. Okay, now let's say I just want to fetch a specific field from right here. Let's say description. What I'm going to do, it is really simple. Just get it as an object property, description. Oh, I don't know why it is not coming. Okay, right here. Okay, refresh, and we have our description. Let's find post where country is equals to 2 or India, let's say. Right here you can see. Okay, let's again find one, and we have a different description. So this is how basically has one through relationship work. Basically it is going to basically return only one record. Okay, now let's see the Laravel example, basically the Laravel docs example and your task. Okay, so here I will just go to has one through. Basically I'm going to provide you this link in the description. Let's move to has one through. Now here comes your task. What you have to do, you have to basically implement this has one through relationship between these models right here, mechanics, cars and owners, and you have to get data. Basically app owner, in this case this is the model you are going to get data from, and there is a relationship between cars and owners. What you have to do, you have to pass this mechanics ID to this car table ID right here, you can see, and then you can easily get specific mechanic car owner right here. Basically this relationship means that one car can only have one specific owner right here. So if you want, basically it is going to be your task, and I have already, basically we have discussed all of these already. You can see it right here. Okay, so this is your task and everything is written right here, that what you have to do, and now you have the knowledge to implement these kind of relationship. Basically you know how to create a model, how to make a controller, how to make a route, etc. So this is your task. If you are unable to do this, just comment, or basically you can email me so that I can implement it for you. Basically it is really simple. Please I recommend you to please try it at least once. Okay, and if you are unable to do it, uh, basically if you are unable to do this task, I am going to do that for you. Just comment me or email me. Okay guys, so I hope you guys like the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Thank you.